Tired of fumbling for your Suica card every time you ride the train or grab a coffee in Japan? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your physical Suica card to Google Pay in under 90 seconds, making your daily commute and shopping experience smoother than ever. First, make sure you have Google Pay installed on your Android device and that NFC is enabled in your settings. Open the Google Pay app and tap the Add a Card or the button usually found at the bottom of the screen. Select Transit Card from the list of available card types. This is crucial for Suica integration. You should see the Suica card logo appear. Tap on the Suica logo to continue. Now, this is the important part. You'll be prompted to hold your physical Suica card against the back of your phone. Make sure the NFC reader on your phone is aligned with the Suica card. This will transfer the card information to Google Pay. The location of the NFC reader differs from phone to phone, so it is important to check your phone's product manual or its NFC settings page. Wait for the transfer to complete. This might take a minute or two, so be patient and don't move the card until it's done. Next, you'll be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Read through this carefully before agreeing. Once the transfer is complete, you'll see a confirmation message within Google Pay that your Suica card has been successfully added. Your Suica card is now ready to use with Google Pay. You can tap your phone at transit gates and participating merchants just like you would with your physical card. Enjoy the convenience of contactless payments in Japan. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips.